Hello everyone, this is me, Labiba Tasnim, and today I'd like to talk to you about extracurricular activities. So most of us are so concentrated in studies that we actually do not think that what we want to do. Maybe some of us want to be a writer or maybe a scientist or something else, even a singer or a dancer. But we're so concentrated in studies that we do not find time for practicing those activities. And for this, after a long time, like in future, we regret that why didn't we do those extracurricular activities when we were a child. And extracurricular activities is very important because it gives you a sort of recreation and it also develops your mental health and your mind. And you feel refreshed when you do this because it's for your benefit and it's for yourself because you have a dream of achieving your goal. And English Olympiad is a very interesting way of improving your extracurricular activities because you can improve your speaking if you participate here. You can gain different experiences that how people speak in front of a stage and how different tongue twisters are pronounced. Then you can also learn about different IPA words, which will help you to speak correctly, to pronounce the English words more correctly. And English Olympiad also helps you to develop your leadership. You can be campus ambassador here, or you can also be engaged in other leadership activities. And this is how it helps you to improve your extracurricular activities. So this year there is an English Olympiad which is going to be held, and don't forget to participate here. Thanks for your patience.